So Roblox is updating Roblox and they're removing tickets, so I'm going to have to recalculate all of my calculations and for the shirts, and I'm going to have to get the new value of them in Robux. So each shirt is 2 Robux, and when you sell it you get 1. As you can see here, you get 1 because of the 30% fee. So I've made 3 shirts in this series, 18, 18, and 34. That's the amount sold. So 70 Robux. That's a really small amount of income. But at the same time, that's still not bad. 70 Robux for only 3 shirts. So with 70 Robux, I could, that's around 1,400 tickets. So let's see, if I ran an advertisement, and I ran 1,400 ticks worth, that would be 7,600 impressions. So if I were to run that on my game, I would maybe get 50 visitors. So almost 1 visitor for 1 Robux, which is not worth it unless I sell game passes. And one of you in my last video were like, Roblox is removing ticks, how are you going to make income from your game? I can make game passes. Getting 1 ticks per visit is not the only way on how to make Robux and tickets. Game passes are the main way of making income, and developer products and things like that. So, I'm going to continue game development because I finished the statue. I did it off camera just because I'm not a big fan of working on camera because I don't really know. I just don't like working on camera. I feel like it takes too long, and if I'm on camera, then I try and rush it. Oh yeah, and as you can see, yeah, so I programmed it so that he swings when you're in a 5-block radius. Ooh. Ooh. There you go. And it kills you when you touch it. Look at this. Before, when I can't walk. It's not allowing me to walk for some reason. I want it so that when you touch it, you automatically jump, because so when you touch it, just gives you a jump boost. It doesn't automatically make you jump. So I want to make it so that when you touch it, you automatically jump. It's forced on you. So I know how to do this, but at the same time, okay, you know what, let's just do it, whatever. I forgot how to do it. I think you needed to use velocity on the character, or something like that. So let's remove that boost. Character, waits for child, torso.velocity equals, let's see, let's try that. If that does not work, then I don't really know what will. I guess I'll have to look into some free models. Okay, that works, okay. I need to give it some more velocity, though. The character's weight sort of cancels it out. Bam! Okay, so, yeah, that's not too bad. That's really simple to make, and it's quite a common thing, and it's quite cool. So, the next thing I want to do is I want to make, like, a cannon or just something that shoots something at you. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. I'm not sure how I'm gonna make the rock or whatever is getting thrown out or launched at you follow you. I think I might use rocket propulsion or velocity, body velocity. I'm not too sure, but here, let's say that this right here. Let's say that this is a wall. Let's just make a little wall. So here's just a wall, and then there's a hole here which shoots out rocks. So I'm thinking of, to do this, I'm thinking of using rocket propulsion, magnitude to check if a player's in reach. Like maybe after 2 seconds, if it doesn't reach its target yet, then it just gets removed or something, or falls down. I don't know if I should do that or not, but if you guys have any ideas for me for any traps or anything else, then tell me and I might try and implement it into the game. Remember, this is going to be your game. Everyone here needs to participate and give ideas so we can make this game. Okay, so I'm going to use the magnitude script that I made in here because it's a pretty good one. Okay, I'm going to remove these variables because those aren't really a part of this. So I'm also going to have to get rid of all of these things right here. So let me explain this code. It basically goes over everything in Workspace, then it goes over everything in the player list, and then we check if the thing that we found in Workspace's name is equal to a player's name to make sure that it's a player, and if it is, then we check if it's in range of the distance that we set. I'm going to make the rock. I want to make it the same size as the hole so it makes sense. I don't want to make it larger because that'll be messed up. That makes no sense. How is it coming out of that tiny hole? Okay, and I'm going to make it slightly smaller just because that's the exact same size as the hole, and that's a little too big then. That's what she said. Okay, I'll put that in server storage. So now if a player is near, then let's make a variable for the rock. Local rock equals game.server storage. Now let's find the rock. And let's also clone it. Now we're setting the C frame, and now we're going to use rocket propulsion to move the rock around. So let's make another variable for the rocket propulsion. The target will be the torso of the character. I forgot what the target radius was. Oh yeah, that's important for the reach target event. I'm going to copy all of these because they're pretty similar, and I'm not gonna individually write them all again, so just to save time, let's do that. And now, let's fire it. First, let's actually test this out. Okay, it's not working, so I'm going to put prints everywhere and see where it stops. So it reaches this line here, which is everything where we set the properties, but I didn't check this line yet. It might be on that line. Hopefully it's not, because that will be bad. So it is. Oh wait, no it's not. Whoa. Okay. This does not look like rock. Whoa my gosh. Okay. Wait, what did I set the distance to? Maybe it's the distance. Let's try it now. That does not reach me at all. I might need more power. It might be that. The problems with program. I forgot to parent it. I forgot to parent it to the rock. If that was the problem this entire time, let's just reduce these back down because I found the error. Okay, let's see. Come on. Come on, please. Work. Oh! It works. Okay. That works perfectly. So now if the rocket does reach the target, then you're dead. Okay, that does not work then. We have another problem. Okay, so I need to lower down the thrust and the speed. And I think that's good. What is that? What the heck? What? What is this? What the heck? Oh my, there goes my FPS. Okay, I think I need a bit more thrust. And let's add a weight here so a billion won't just pop out at once. Oh, yep. No, hold up. No, way too fast, Okay, hopefully this works. Right now, I've just got to play around with it. That is so weak, but that's actually good because we do not need this to push you. We just need this to reach you. that's a little too fast, actually. Thrush just keeps it up in the air. Speed is how fast it's going. So, perfect. If we give this a speed of 10, that'll be a bit too easy, because the character's walk speed is already 16, so there's no way it's going to catch up to the character. So we're going to make this 17. Oh, these humans are in trouble. So now it could actually catch up to you over time. But at the same time, it could be avoided if it lasts too long and if you avoid it for a long time. Sometimes the target radius is too small and it just doesn't register, so sometimes you need to make it larger. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, it's slowly catching up. No, no, no. Nope. Ah. And here let's actually make it so that the rock gets deleted if 2 seconds or 3 seconds pass by. So 3 seconds. So I need to last 3 seconds without the rock catching up, which is sort of easy. Yeah, okay, so there's no errors. That is good. So I think the rock shooter is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any great ideas, tell me in the comments below, because this is going to be... Oh! I've got to fix that. Oh my. Where'd the rock go? Okay, great. See you later. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was really fun to make.